Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. All the algorithms that I'm going to show in this video can be found in the description. Please check it out if you want. So in this video I'm going to be going over some of the remaining OL cases which are in last video. I taught all the dot cases. Now in this video I'm going to be going over this arrow and H cases, T cases, C shapes, and both of the fish shapes. So yeah, so first of all I'm gonna be going over the T case. Sorry, not T, yes, T cases. So yeah, let's start. So guys, this is the first T case, how it looks like there's a line and this block. Now these two edges, one is facing to us, one facing to that way, these two facing like that. Now how to execute this arc is F sexy move and F prime. This is the easy. So yeah, so let me move on to the next. So guys, last algorithm you do sexy move F then sexy move, but this algorithm no need to do F then sexy move. Instead you need to do a sexy move which is R prime U prime, then apply a sledgehammer to solve this case and see it's solved. So yeah, next. Guys, this is the next case which is a she shape. Looks like this, she, a long block and single edge flip. How to apply R prime U prime, then apply a sledgehammer to insert this pair over back. This is the arc. So let me move on to the next. Guys, this is the next C shape case where now not align these two edges like corners flip like this way, and you need to hold like this that the C faces to you, not like this, like this. How to apply R2 U prime R prime F U prime F prime with this finger. Okay, so this is, so let me move on to the next. Guys, this is the next case which is a W shape. Looks like this. How to apply R prime U prime R prime U prime, then apply a sledgehammer. Guys, this is the next case. Looks like this, as you can see photo over here. So yeah, how to apply back soon R prime U prime R prime R prime. Now don't do U2, instead do R prime U, and do a back sledgehammer. The next is which is a square shape, some sort of, and the name of the shape square shape. So how to apply R U2 R prime U prime R U prime R prime. Then next case looks like this. Now you can't do like this because the block is not over here, now block is over here. So how to do R prime U2 R U prime R prime U R. Guys, this is the next case. Looks like this, like a Z or some sort of, yes, Z only, I don't know. Looks like Z. I forgot how to write Z, like this, I don't know. It's some sort of like this. Okay, so how to apply R prime F sexy move F prime and insert this pair over the back. How to do move? Now your finger will end up like this. Now do like this, then push with this finger. So yeah, that next. So this is the next one. Looks like this. Now how to do R prime F sexy move F prime, insert this pair at the back. So next case which is the arrow case. Looks like this because it's arrow called, because if you see like this it looks like an arrow. How to apply? Take like this, then small r U, small r prime U prime, then do M, but I told in the last video M like this, not like this, or you do M with this finger, then inside this pistol gun. So this is the next case, which looks like a eye like this. Okay, so how to apply? Do a sexy move, do a M. Now you can do M with this. Now I'm not like this because it may take a little time doing this. So instead you can do this because it's easy and it's easy to do. Sexy move, M, insert this here. So this is out. So this much for this video. Next, coming in part 2, if that comes, a part 3 if that comes, I will link in the iCard option here. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please click the subscribe button and like this video and comment something positive. Till next time, happy cubing, bye.